If you run an Etsy shop, staying one step ahead of the competition is essential. And that means having a head for business and keenly understanding who makes up your customer base. In today's Etsy hack video, I will show you how to easily identify repeat customers on Etsy so that you could customize your shop and marketing strategies to serve them better. This tip won't just help you grow your business, it will give you loyal buyers the attention they deserve. Let me show you how. In order to identify a repeat buyer, all you need to do is head over to your dashboard, go over to your shop manager, and on the back end, click on orders and shipping. It's going to open the new orders that you currently have, and you can also see completed orders. So what you need to do as an Etsy seller is that every time you get a new order, make sure to check if this is a repeated customer. And you could do so by checking right next to their name, it should be a little star. If there's a star there, it means that they are a repeat buyer. So for these customers, I do recommend reaching out to them, maybe sending them a coupon for the next purchase, and most of all, thanking them for their continuous business. But this is how easy it is to identify repeat customers. Let me know if you knew this in the comments below.